Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Glendale Harley-Davidson. Today I'm here to talk to you about our black brand Cool Tech Club Vest. It's going to keep you cool on the inside and the out, so let's get to it. So a few of the features that we have here on the outside is we have a couple of the snap pockets for your stuff so you can keep it nice and secure and safe. We also have the side pockets down here as well for comfort. We have the full-length zipper and the snaps as well on this jacket, so you can snap it up and zip it to keep the wind out, or you can unzip it, keep the snaps closed. You can get some wind flow in there without your vest flapping all over in the wind. Let's go ahead and jump into the cooling system we have on the vest. We have the inner lining that is treated to keep your body 20 degrees to 25 degrees cooler than any normal vest would. It's also odor-free and moisture wicking. We also have on the inside layer here, we have two inner pockets so that you can keep your phone, your wallet in here without worrying about them getting lost. We also have two other oversized snap pockets on the inside as well. The lining does unzip here so that you can put your patches on the back and not ruin the lining. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you about the second part of the cooling system on this vest. The entire vest, the leather is treated. It's chemically treated, so it does not absorb the sun. It will reflect the sun, unlike the other vests. So it's not gonna turn your vest into an oven in this summer heat. It's gonna keep you nice and cool on the road. Along with this vest keeping you nice and cool in the summertime and being very durable, it also comes with a 6-year warranty with the black brand in case there's any manufacturer defects. And also some of the proceeds for the sale go to building homes for veterans. Alright, this has been the black brand Cool Tech Club Vest. We've got plenty of sizes in stock, so come on down and try one on, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye!